Challenger Series and even the fight back to the series in Madrid.
Shule ya upili wa wavulana ya Ambira kutoka kaunti ya Siaya ndio wawakilishi wa kaunti kwenye mashindano ya shule za upili ukanda wa Nyanza yatakayofanyika wiki ijayo kaunti ya Kisii. Ambira wamerudi ulingoni baada ya miaka mingi, waliwashinda wapinzani wao St. Mary's Yala.
And today I'm proud I can present a team. I'm proud I can present a group of boys who practically can work towards a certain objective and are able to showcase what they have in terms of talent, that is playing soccer. And that makes me proud as a coach.
We are preparing for the Nyanza region. We want to thank the Chief Principal, Mr. Joseph Otieno, for the support he has given us so far. And as we go to the regionals, our aim is to come back with the trophy back to Siaya County. Let me thank the fans, our coaches, and together with football, we are also presenting Siaya County in basketball. Apart from that, we have also 2 boys who will be representing Siaya County in lawn tennis. Ambira is a home of talent.
It's the first time we're going to the regional since I came here in 2020. But Ambira has been a household name. Even if we are going there were times Ambira had participated at the national level in rugby.
Mashindano